How to transfer players in Fantasy Premier League. Let's get started. Launch your Fantasy Premier League account. You can use the browser version or also you can launch it in the app. But for this video, I'm going to use the browser version. Launch your preferred browser and head towards the website of Fantasy Premier League. Once you're in the website, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll land at this kind of page. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of transfers. Now scroll down, you're going to find your team. Now how to transfer a player. Users have to click on the player that you want to transfer or change. At the top left corner of each player, you're going to find this cross icon. Click on that. The player will be removed. Now click on this plus icon. You're going to get the option remove player, select replacement, player information. Click on the option of select replacement. With that, at the right corner, you're going to find the details of the players that are available for the replacement. Go ahead and select the player of your choice. Just click on it. You'll get the pop-up. Click on the option of add player. And with that, the player has been changed. So this way you can easily transfer players on Fantasy Premier League. By applying the same process, you can easily transfer other players as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.